Hi, my name is Bill Parliament and I'm from Chester Springs, Pennsylvania, and I'm the co-founder, along with my wife Michelle, of Flippedfinances.com. I'm also a graduate of Dominique Brown's 30-day credit repair agency program. Prior to working with Dom, I was always interested in credit repair and I enjoyed working on my own credit. But once I took Dom's 30-day credit repair agency program, it really helped me figure out how I could take a credit score restoration skill and turn it into a business. Now my wife and I are working together, helping couples and others improve their credit scores and their financial education. What surprised me the most and made me the happiest about the 30-day credit repair agency program was the ability to interact with the other business owners inside the group and work one-on-one with Dom to get answers to my questions. He also created the modules in bite-sized lessons so it wasn't overwhelming to understand or learn. Now, the reason I chose Dominique Brown's 30-day credit repair agency program over anything else was because I felt like I resonated with him and I loved the idea of getting to work with a guy who's been successful in the business. I liked that I could ask questions in the private Facebook group and they would be answered on our weekly mastermind calls. I like his no-nonsense approach to business and I love that he's a family man like myself. So if you're seriously considering or want to get in to start a credit score restoration business, I would highly recommend Dominique Brown's 30-day credit repair agency program. His course covers everything from soup to nuts and how to legally set up your business, to how to set up your website, to how to market your business, how to convert leads into sales, and of course how to properly onboard a new client. It's literally step-by-step real-life approach to starting your credit restoration business. Last but not least, Dom always gives you the information that you need and he doesn't hold back. He shares exactly what you need, the tools, and how to get them up and running. In fact, the things you learn in Dom's course can really be used in any type of business, not just a credit repair business. At the end of the day, success leaves clues, and if you're looking to get your business started on the right foot and the fastest possible way, don't hesitate to register for Dominique Brown's 30-day credit restoration program. Thank you.